how to fix Epic Games error code. As you can see, this is the code. Now, first of all, restart the Epic Games launcher. Now, close it completely from the system's tray and then open it again. After that, check your internet connection. So make sure you have a stable connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and Ethernet. After that, run the Epic Games launcher as administrator. So right-click on the launcher icon and select Run as administrator. Now, clear the web cache for Epic Games. Now you can go to C/user. This is your name that you set for your PC after you set the new Windows. Now /update local /Epic Games launcher /save it /web cache. Now delete everything in the web cache folder. Now you can disable your firewall or antivirus temporarily. Now there can be sometimes block Epic Games servers. Now check the for system or launcher updated. So make sure Windows and the Epic Games launcher are fully up to date. Now restart your PC. So then launch Epic Games again and check if the error is gone. Finally, still not working? Epic Games or contact Epic Games support. They can help if it is server side issues or link it to your account. And this is how to fix Epic Games error code. As you can see, this is it. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.